Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in this Nissan Pathfinder key fob. You're going to need a small flat tip screwdriver about this size is best. And these can either take a 2025 or a 2023, so go ahead and open yours up and figure out which one you need, and I've put links below in the description for both of those. First thing you want to do is slide this down and remove your mechanical key. Once you have that out, take your small flat tip screwdriver, insert it here, and just kind of pry and work your way up like that. Now generally it will say right here which battery you need. This specific one is a 2032, but like I said, it could be a 2025 or a 2032. So remove your dead one. Your new battery goes in, positive side facing down. Go ahead and clip these back together, and you can check right here to make sure you got your red light and you're all set. Put your key back. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.